guys, we're here at a restaurant. I forgot the name. Siam Seafood. So we ordered a lot of food, so we're just waiting. Okay, guys. Guys, hindi na ako nakaantay. So we have this crispy pork with basil, and then the soup na khao soy, and then crab omelet fried rice, and then there's more shrimp and river prawns coming. Pero hungry na kami guys, so hindi ko na inantay. Guys, some of the food already came. That's us, it's crab omelet fried rice. And then we have the khao soy, and then we have the stir-fried flat noodles, and then I'm eating yung crispy pork basil with egg. And we're still waiting for the, yung may mga shrimps kami na in-order, at saka river prawns for Austin. So, wala na. So, it's just, yeah. Okay, so we're just waiting for the shrimps, right? Yan. Sige guys, we're gonna eat. How does that taste? Ang sarap yun. Guys, ang sarap nito. Parang siyang curry na magata. It's really good. I know. Guys, we're done with dinner. So, andito na kami ngayon sa store that sells a lot of inhalers. Mahilig si Austin yan. At saka yung mga kakilala ko, so we're buying some inhalers to move back to the States and in the Philippines. So, andun si Austin, happy, naghahanap ng mga inhaler, guys. So, ang daming tao rito, ang daming Filipino, my goodness. May mga tindahan yata itong mga to kasi namamakyaw sila. And then there's like a girl inside, I think she's doing live selling. So, ayan guys, yung mga mahilig sa mga menthol dyan, yung mga balm, this is the place to be. It's in Pratunam, guys.